Okay, so I have a pair of these good MDR 7506 and decent but not as good MDR V6. And these I've had for so long that the nylon is literally all gone, and they're nice and comfy. These I don't use as much, and right now they're at a point where this stuff is just flaking and it's terrible. It gets on my ears and my face and all over my video desk. So I found these replacements for super cheap. Let's see how well they work. I've had these phones on my little desk table for 5 minutes. You can already see all that. Or you can't because of my autofocus. All that nasty little black stuff. Oh well. So let's give this a shot. Comes off easy enough. Look at that. It's not unsanitary, it's just gross, right? Look at all that. It's everywhere. Sure, there's none on my hands. It's all over the bag and everything. Just completely shitty. And this is the original pads that came with the MDR V6s. I have no recollection of ever replacing the cups. I may need a tool for this, or I may just try stretching it all the way around. One down. Gotta find the right starting point. Come on, man. Just want to get them started, and I can't here for some reason. Okay, the first one was easy, and now this one is difficult, but hang tight. All right, finally. So that seems pretty good for $6 or $7. I don't know if I would replace these because this foam itself is not deteriorating and they're so comfortable. But going from this and having this black garbage flake everywhere to this is nice. We'll see how long these last.